Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's check in with WYNN as I've started building a position on it. So we'll just drop down to the daily chart here. And so I don't think I mentioned in the last video, but we were in this nice oversold condition on the daily. And that was simultaneously as we hit this confluence of equality between A and C, and also in this area of the 382 retracement of that larger wave 3, and also just the bottom of this parallel trend channel that this flat correction has respected here. So that's just another complementary technical saying, hey, this is likely a good place to be long here, or getting long. So I'll go in a little closer, and on the 15-minute chart, this is what I'm liking out also. So this is the bottom here at 151.23. Now it looks quite clear to me that we have some sort of a little impulse under development here, right? And actually, maybe that's third wave up, nice gap up today, and we're doing a little fourth, I'm going to come up in a fifth, something like this. That's probably good. And then, within this third, it subdivides. And thirds are often the extended wave in a sequence. Something like this. Let me just drop the degree down. Okay. So this is kind of what I'm seeing from a short-term wave count perspective. And I like it. We have this nice non-threatening kind of sideways, possibly wave 4 here, and then expecting maybe a fifth wave up, and then after that maybe another 3-wave correction back to the previous fourth wave extreme, or even to close the gap, something like that. So I'm liking that we have that big picture, what looks like a nice mature fourth wave, and now we have on this very short time frame some sort of impulsive Elliott sequence to the upside that still looks incomplete. So that's all looking very well, and that's one of the reasons I started taking a position here. So before I get to this position I'm in currently, and I've just started building position, this won't be the full position yet. So I'm long 5 calls. WYNN expiration date is the 21st of December 2018, so lots of time on them. Strike price 150. And the net price I paid was $19.85, okay, per share per contract. So this just shows you, general, yeah, we're long a call, and obviously as prices advance, profits go up, and then we're maximum risk currently limited to the net outlay for the options, which was $9,925. And if we get up around our target of 200-ish, should be well beyond 200, but let's just say around 200, you're looking at a 15,000 at expiration, roughly. If you get up to 210, looking at 20,000, 220, looking at 25,000. So, but that's just with 5 calls. Again, I'll likely be just averaging into maybe a 25 call position. And then I'll also be hedging that once I've kind of built it up with some different strike price puts, perhaps. Maybe like an unbalanced strangle is what I have in mind here. But also, okay, so we had the gap up, which is nice. Volume was higher than it was the prior 3 sessions there. So on increasing volume, nice gap up, and we're actually right on the T-line or slightly above the T-line here, okay? So that's what I like to see. And our oscillator just starting to come off that oversold condition. And this is just the same channel I had on the trading view chart, and then the same 100% A and C relationship there. So you can just see how nicely we came off that confluence area. So I continue to like WYNN here for longer term swing or even position trade, but also short term. If we just go back I mean, short term, there's already a little elite sequences you can be trading here short term, if that's what you want to do as far as you know, intraday trading or whatever. Nothing stopping you from doing that. So we'll continue to check in with WYNN. I'm definitely liking it as kind of one of my top picks. It just has, I mean, on that weekly chart, it doesn't get much better than that as far as finding a nice, you know, 5-wave advance that is not yet complete to the upside. I'll leave that with you for now. We'll check in later on this one. Serial Trader signing off.